Get ready to witness some of the most extreme off-road trucks and insanely skilled drivers on the planet. From jaw-dropping stunts to heart-stopping moments, these pros push their machines to the absolute limit. Don't blink, because every second is pure adrenaline. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the adventure. Let's go. These dump truck operators have skills so extreme, they're pure comedy gold. They're driving these crazy heavy equipment machines like they stole them. Watch these idiots turn a job site into a rodeo. I bet they didn't even use a tape measure for safety. Well, I'll be. A truck loaded with a tractor is trying to tow a trailer? That's some serious farm ingenuity. Does this fella think he's at the NASCAR track? Watch this strongman effort. He might need a 16-ounce, 473 milliliters. Big gulp after this. It's a real knee slapper. These oversized trucks are turning the highway into a rodeo. These dangerous idiots are hauling heavy equipment like they're trying to win the Indy 500. Watch these massive messes and wonder if they need a map or just a new job. Better than any reality TV show. Howdy, partner. Forget those American 18-wheelers for a minute. Check out these European beauties. Scania, Volvo, Mercedes. They're truck spotting gold, looking slicker than a politician's hair. They haul enough cargo to fill a Texas stadium. Time for a continental chuckle. Gee whiz, check out these extreme dangerous dump truck skills. These operators are handling machines that weigh more than a city block. They drive these mega trucks, which are about 30 feet, 9 meters tall, like they're little ATVs. Amazing. This is better than a Sunday drive to the Dairy Queen. Goodness gracious. Get ready for the best of these fastest fails. These heavy equipment operators are turning simple tasks into a Broadway show. Watch them misuse millions of dollars worth of machinery. Their skills are certainly unique. This clip is better than a Sunday paper crossword. Yikes, this truck nearly did a backflip right on the incline. It totally ran out of steam, moving slower than molasses in January. I bet the driver wished he had a Chevy V8 under the hood. Watching this will raise your blood pressure by about 10 points. A real cliffhanger. Goodness gracious, that massive Caterpillar 365C is getting a serious road trip. Watch Fasula's heavy transports haul this beast about 43 miles, 70 kilometers. That's farther than most folks drive for a Thanksgiving dinner. This rig is huge, bet it takes up a whole city block. Now that's heavy hauling. Ay, caramba! Check out these monster logging trucks from Durango, Mexico. These drivers are hauling thousands of board feet through mountains like it's a trip to the local Taco Bell. Their skills are sharper than a new Swiss Army knife. It's wild, folks. Well, that escalated quickly. The Russian title says it all. When everything goes wrong. Watch these hilarious moments where folks clearly needed a better game plan. Their day went south faster than a tourist at Disneyland in July. Grab a cup of coffee and enjoy the mayhem. Gee whiz, moving these behemoths. That Cat and Liebherr heavy iron, weighing up to 440,000 pounds, 200 metric tons, is being loaded like Lego bricks. These drivers are absolute wizards. They definitely need a raise and a whole gallon of strong coffee after this. Watch the massive action. Good gracious, this transport genius backed up right into another truck. Now it's stuck like a pig in mud. These dangerous truck fails are so ridiculous, you'll think it's an episode of The Three Stooges. Someone needs to give this driver a new pair of reading glasses and a GPS.
Chiếc xe này sẽ lùi vào bên trong kia để tời một chiếc xe đậu 6 máy đang bị dính lầy ở trong đó nha anh em. Thì lúc nãy
You've got to be kidding me. These truck drivers turn a river crossing into a water park fail. Watch as these heavy equipment machines zoom by faster than a cheeseburger disappears at a picnic. I bet they need a tow truck and a new pair of Levi's. Pure chaos. Gee whiz, it's time for some majestic Sweden truck spotting. These big rigs are longer than a typical American football field. Watch these behemoths cruise through the snow. They make our 18-wheelers look like little toys. This is way better than watching the evening news. Well, looky here. This Mitsubishi Fuso is hauling those heavy concrete piles uphill like it's a quarter-pounder. That truck is giving this hill all she's got. I bet the driver wishes he had a supercharger and a cold Coca-Cola. Watch this mighty struggle. You won't believe the load. These biggest climbing operators are driving 50-ton, 100,000-pound machines like they're bumper cars. Watch the bulldozer blunders and truck driving oopsies. These dangerous idiots make the Wild West look tame. Their skills are a total hoot. Even the great number 44, Barack Obama, needed a little help this time. What could possibly cause a former president to call in a favor? He probably just ran out of Snapple iced tea. Watch the hilarious crisis unfold and keep those laughs coming. Forget your trusty shovel. These folks are turning tree stump removal into a rodeo. Watch trucks and tractors perform dangerous skills to yank out roots the size of a Chevy truck. It's root warfare. They deserve a cold beer after this incredible show.
Oh my god.
กลับมาติดตามรับชมกันต่อครับกับบ๊อบตีเล็กสายมันอยู่กับสายนักขุดทีม
Oh, that Paul Paulus. What in the Sam Hill is he digging for down there? He's trying to scoop dirt right next to a giant hole. Is he looking for Jimmy Hoffa or just wrecking the road? Watch this wacky attempt. He might lose a whole yard, 3 feet of precious
ผล
soil.
พัฒนาลายนี้นะครับประจำการซานี่ SY 2154เอกลักษณ์ประจำตัวตอนนี้คือรถนะฟิล์มนะมันบางหมดแล้วคือมองทะลุปุโป่งได้
These heavy equipment operators are turning construction zones into a blooper reel. Watch the fastest excavator and spectacular truck car mishaps caught on dashcam. These are some next-level goof-ups. Someone needs to send them back to driving school, maybe starting with a tricycle. Watch these heavy equipment experts turn a 22,000-pound 10-ton crane into a toy. These idiots drive like they're in a NASCAR race on a mud track. Their climbing and crossing skills are truly a sight to behold. Get your popcorn ready, this is hilarious.
Ó a cagada, ó a cagada, ó a cagada. Meu Deus do céu, cara.
Great Scott! Watch this XTZ T150K forwarder tackling the muddy forest like a champ. This beast is hauling tons of timber through conditions wetter than a Louisiana swamp. It handles the mud better than a 4x4 at a tailgate party. You won't believe the traction. Well, I'll be. This biggest wood truck driver is a straight-up legend. He's navigating an 80-foot, 24-meter load like it's a tiny toy car. This guy must have cut his teeth driving a big rig across the interstate for 50 years. Talk about masterful. Grab your popcorn.
Tome, menino! Tem pressão, tá? O pneu tá ali. Eu vi. Mantendo a pegada. Ô, brotador, hein?
These skills are a wild ride. Watch these dump truck operators treat massive equipment, weighing thousands of pounds like hot rods. They're hitting speeds that belong on the Indianapolis 500 track, not a work site. It's a comedy of errors. Don't spill your iced tea. Now that's a rig. This classic Scania 143 6X 4V8 timber truck roars like a hungry grizzly bear. It's hauling enough timber to build a 2,000 square foot cabin. Watch this powerful old school machine conquer the rough terrain. A true king of the road. You can almost smell the diesel. Check out this tough cookie. The Komatsu D51 bulldozer is a real hard bone. This thing is tougher than a Texas steer and pushes dirt like a supersized spatula. It gets the job done without a fuss. It's the Arnold Schwarzenegger of heavy equipment. You'll be amazed. Wow, what a ride. These extreme trucks and fearless drivers never fail to amaze us. If you love the action, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss an epic moment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.